We're here to do an unboxing of the UltraTEV Plus2. It's the 4th generation model of the award-winning UltraTEV series. My name's George, and let's get started. There's 3 kit configurations: Kit 1 Basic, Kit 2 Essential, and Kit 3 Professional. Each will include the instrument itself. There's a touchscreen display with 4 buttons. It has an ultrasonic sensor along the top, as well as a TEV, transient earth voltage sensor. Just above the display is a photo sensor to determine the phase frequency. Based on our fluorescent lighting here, we have 59.99 Hertz. If you're not able to get a lock that way, there's a built-in E-field sensor as well, and then ultimately you could enter it manually. It's important so that your plots come out correctly. Along the sides are ports for your accessory probes. Along the bottom is a micro SD card, a charging indicator light, a USB port for charging, and a headphone jack. And here is the headset. It's a high quality headset. The color may vary. Pro tip, this bottom part goes along the bottom of your neck so that you can wear a hard hat. Included is a wall USB charger with the appropriate plug for your country, as well as a automotive USB car charger as well. The only included sensor in Kit 1 is this one. It's an environmental sensor for temperature and humidity. It connects to the side of the unit like this. And to remove it, just pull back on the collar. It comes out very easily. The other sensors are removed the same way. Also included is a micro SD to compact flash adapter. If your organization's rules prohibit connecting the instrument via USB or using the cards installed in your computer, please note that the unit has the capability to activate a Wi-Fi hotspot, and you could download your data that way. Also included is a printed instruction manual with calibration certificate, as well as an NFC starter pack of a half a dozen NFC tags. You stick these tags on all your electrical assets and use the built-in reader and writer to communicate with them. You can purchase additional NFC tags, including outdoor rated ones. So that covers everything in kit number 1. Let's move it out of the way so we could look at number 2. So you can see it includes everything that's included in kit number 1 with some additional sensors. So you have this one. It's a remote flexible ultrasonic sensor probe. You use it to make, if you're working overhead, for example, it allows you to see the display very easily while you're working, and for other awkward angles. Also included is this one. It's a HFCT, or some call it an RFCT. It comes with its own interconnecting cable to the instrument. You could use this for cable PD testing. If you have a switchgear cabinet or bus bar that's completely sealed and there's no path for the ultrasonic sound to get out, there is an additional sensor that's included in Kit 2, which is this one. It's an ultrasonic sensor with a magnetic face, so you just connect it to the metal surface, and it connects again to the UltraTEV. Each of these sensors, once connected to the UltraTEV, are recognized automatically by the instrument. So that covers everything in kit number 2. Kit number 3 is the same as kit number 2. As you can see, it's a little taller. It adds one additional accessory, which is this one. It's a ultrasonic sensor in a parabolic dish format, so you could do outdoor asset work. It has a laser trigger pointer, and if you're not able to see the red dot, you can line it up with the gun sight that's built into the unit. So that's really the only difference from Kit 2 to Kit 3. And if you purchased Kit 1 or Kit 2 and want to upgrade, you just have to purchase the additional accessory probes for it. So that covers the 3 kits. There are some additional accessories that you could purchase with any of the 3 kits. We'll start with this one. This is called the locator. It's a TEV sensor in the same form factor as the UltraTEV. If you have switchgear cabinets where you have TEV but you're not sure which cabinet it is, you could use the locator. It uses time-of-flight technology to determine which cabinet it would be. It has an interconnecting cable to the UltraTEV as well as an extension cable. It has its own manual and calibration certificate. These cases are pretty neat. They stack up nicely. There's feet at the bottom with teeth that line up to the back slot of the tops. So it locks in the back, and then in the front you could lock it this way so that you can carry both cases together. If you put the blue knob this way, you can open the bottom lid to access what's in here. And then of course in the original position you could remove the top case. Let me move this out of the way as well so we could take a look at the last accessory. It comes in this zippered soft case. There's some additional items in this pocket here I want to show you. Okay, so this is one of the byproducts of partial discharge outdoors could be radio. So this is a directional UHF antenna designed specifically for our applications in partial discharge to pick up those signals. It's directional, so you move it from left and right and up and down, and along the bottom in the rear there's a connection point to connect it to the UltraTEV. It includes a interconnecting cable, and then on the UltraTEV you connect this receiver, or it's like an adapter, and then the cable connects to it. Now there's also included a omnidirectional whip antenna that you connect here at the top. It's much more limited uses, but for those rare occasions where you might need it, it's included. So that covers the 3 kit configurations. Kit 1 for switchgear, Kit 2 adds the additional ultrasonic sensors and the ability to do cable PD, and then Kit 3 with the parabolic additional allows you to do outdoor ultrasonic work. And then you could buy the additional locator or the UHF accessory directional antenna as well. I hope you found the video useful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.